Do you know how easy it is to make glass candy? There's nothing quite like the joy of biting into a piece of homemade candy, especially when it's as beautiful and delicious as Tanghulu. Let's make some gorgeous Tanghulu with kumquats. This traditional Chinese treat is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delightful burst of flavor. First things first, grab some fresh kumquats. These tiny citrus fruits are perfect for Tanghulu because of their sweet and tangy taste. Rinse them well and pat them dry. It's important to remove any dirt or residue to ensure a clean, glossy finish on your candy. Next, skewer each kumquat with a wooden stick, like tiny fruit lollipops. In a saucepan, mix 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water. The ratio is crucial for achieving the perfect syrup consistency. Stir until the sugar dissolves, making sure there are no granules left. This will help in creating a smooth, clear syrup. Then heat it up to 150 degrees Celsius. This is the hard crack stage, essential for that signature crunch. Use a candy thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature. Precision is key to avoid burning the syrup. Once your syrup is ready, quickly dip each kumquat skewer into the hot syrup. Be careful, as the syrup is extremely hot. Spin it around to coat it evenly, ensuring every part of the kumquat is covered in the glossy syrup. Watch as the syrup hardens into a shiny, glassy coating. It's like watching a beautiful transformation right before your eyes. And there you have it. Give it a try and taste the sweet, tangy goodness for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.